Hi guys, what is up? It's girl Karen, aka cakedbybabyk, and welcome back to my channel. I'm pissed off. I hate the American healthcare system. I've just spent like the last 45 minutes on the phone trying to make doctor's appointments for my various ailments and whatnot. I have gotten absolutely nowhere and I'm frustrated and I want to open some packages to try and make myself feel better. So let's go. First package I opened was actually off camera because I thought I was rolling and I was not, unfortunately, but this is from Then I Met You. This is their Bong Bounce Cream. Apologies. And I have the full-size one and they also sent over a mini one. Also, can we just talk about the height of this PR tower? This isn't even all of my PR packages stacked on top of each other. Isn't that crazy? All right, package number 2. Ooh, this is cute. Fresh from the Briogeo Bakery, it says. This is their Don't Despair Repair Vanilla Birthday Cake Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of birthday cake anything. Like, yeah, I'll eat a slice, mayhaps. But when it comes to this, I think I'm gonna give this away to my best friend, Annie. She has the prettiest, curliest hair, and she is the biggest birthday cake fan ever. Annie, this is coming to you. Just love to share the wealth. Next one is from Peach and Lily. We have their Glass Skin Ginseng Collagen Mask. This is like the overnight mask from Biodance. It's the one where you put it on and you wait until it becomes clear and then you peel it off. I wasn't the biggest fan of the Biodance one, but I do want to try it again and I do want to try others to compare. So this is definitely going to be tried. This next one is from Lily Lashes. Ooh, these are interesting. These are the No Glue Needed Body Heat Activated Lashes. I'm really curious about these, so definitely we'll be trying them out. And they also sent over this lash applicator that also has a little comb at the end. Is this focusing? Hello? Hello, there we go, there we go. And here are the lashes in case it was not focusing before. I'm not sure who this one is from. Urban Decay. It says, Our Icons Reimagined. The lighting in here, the lighting outside is actually, it's going in and out. So if my video suddenly looks really dark and gray, that's why. So we have the Naked Shaped palette. Let me open this up. You know, I was looking at this in the store and I just was not the biggest fan of this layout. Something about it, it's just not really giving to me. I'm not liking how you slide to open. Most likely giving this away, and you know what? They have the new all-nighter formulation. I'm sure you guys have heard about the drama with the all-nighter and Scandinavia. They broke off that partnership and the formula has now changed. You know, I surprisingly was not a ride or die for the original all-nighter, so even if I were to use it now, I don't even know what I would compare it to. Not my circus, not my monkeys. Next one is from CoverGirl. What's better than one CoverGirl? 2 CoverGirls. Oh, that is a lot of products in here. Looks like the star of the show is the Lash Blast Bond Mascara. Is this focusing? So there's 4 of these in here. They sent over all 4 of the different shades. There's brown, black, extreme black, and then the other one also says extreme black, but the numbers are different. So one of them says 800 and then one of them says 820. I am confused. Color me confused. They also sent over the brow enhancer, which I'm not a big fan of. 2 minis of the Jelly Water Tints. A Yummy Gloss, which I'm also not the biggest fan of. And then 2 primers. All right, this next one is from Noise. They are a fragrance brand. They just launched their Only Human fragrance and I absolutely love this campaign. It's so cozy. Ooh, socks? Don't mind if I do. Ooh. This smells delightful. It's a gourmand, but it's a very light gourmand, which I can appreciate because some gourmands are so heavy to where I get headaches. It smells sweet, but not overly sweet. There's definitely some type of musk in there. They also sent playing cards and this cute little plushy bag. I'm about to crash out. I have no idea how long my mic was dead for. It's fine, I'm fine. Let's just keep going. The horrors persist, but so do I. This Pixie box, metal, so nice. Their packages are always so nice. Ooh, these are the new lip blushes from them. Interesting, interesting. It's a 2-in-1 lip liner and a stain. We'll definitely be trying you. This next one is from Glow Recipe. I already know what this is because I was using a lab sample of this and I finished a full bottle. I actually just put that bottle in my recent empties video. I'm going to link that down below if you have not watched it. But this is the new Glow Recipe Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin. I love this stuff so much. It has pretty quickly shot to not quite the top, but top adjacent of my Glow Recipe serum ranking. Avocado Ceramide is still at the top, but this is a very, very close second. If you want glass skin, this is your girl. All right, let's finally knock some of this stuff off. I know what you are. This is from Naturium. This is the new Milky Bright Toner, and this is the Multi Bright Advanced Serum. So excited to try these. Next one is from Henry Rose. They're also a fragrance brand. I feel like all the fragrance brands now are coming out with the warm, cozy, gourmand fragrances for fall and winter. All right, this one is called Dave, and then this one is called Flora Carnivora. Ooh, that smells really clean. This one, which is Flora Carnivora, is floral with each bite, earthy vetiver and bloom of jasmine, tuberose, and orange flower add depth and complexity when layered with Dave. Okay, so these are meant to be layered. That smells almost powdery. I do love vetiver. I think it's one of the more underrated notes that a fragrance can have. Not many brands use it, at least none that I've seen. And how freaking cute is this one? This is their 50 milliliter one. I have their like bigger full-size bottles. And this one is a vanilla gourmand. What did I say? Decadence of chantilly vanilla, an unexpected twist with tart tangerine, delicate neroli, and roasted cocoa shell. Ooh. Seems like a fun little mix. I very much like that. Ooh. That definitely smells like the epitome of fall. I will say I get more of the gourmand notes than the fruity notes, but it's not bad. Okay, next one is from Gisou. All right, so we have the Glazed Lip Trio. I believe this one is a holiday set. There's vanilla glaze, sticky toffee, and milky mocha. You guys know I'm not the biggest fan of these lip oils, so they will be going into a giveaway. Really love the tones in here though. Next one is from Cocoa Kind. I legitimately thought this was a Spotify sticker. All right, so we have three goodies. We have the Ceramide Body Oil Stick, the Ceramide Barrier Serum. I love this one. This is very foundational. If you are a beginner that is wanting to dive deeper into the skincare world, highly recommend this one. And then the Body Cleansing Bar with Ceramide and Oat for soothing barrier support. I have not tried this one, but the green color really is calling out to me, and for some reason I've been loving body bars lately. The topical ones are really good, and I'm excited to try this one. So Cocoa Kind actually brought this body bar back for only a limited time in partnership with the Body Positive, which is a Bay Area based nonprofit founded nearly 30 years ago. Basically, this organization helps people of all ages with their body dissatisfaction. They help replace that with positive embodiment, which is an essential developmental capacity linked to mental health and resilience. You guys know I'm big on mental health, and Cocoa Kind has always been one of those brands that consistently strives to help their customers, their community, their consumers with mental health through skincare. Love, love, love. Don't know where you're from. Guys, I'm already feeling better. I just need to open a million packages. Hello? This is from Makeup Forever, and it says unlock your lip combo. My little insert said my combo was 606. Does everybody have the same combo? For the sake of the PR team, I hope they do. Wow. Oh my goodness. All of these. Funnily enough, I actually am not the biggest fan of these, but I'm grateful nonetheless. These are going to a very good home. And they also sent over a bunch of their artist color pencils, which are such cult favorites. Thank you, Makeup Forever. All right, now I got this big boy. Sunday Riley. This smells really good. Or maybe that's just the perfume that I sprayed. Big ass box with another box inside, all to send this autocorrect brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. Honestly, I don't know if I will be trying this, just because Sunday Riley is one of those brands that everything I try from them, I don't like it. I don't like it. So we'll see about you. Maybe we'll see if the pattern continues. Ooh, this one is from Sephora Collection. Fun, it's like a little advent calendar where I can punch in and see the items that I got. We have a vitamin C brightening serum. There is a brightening gel cream, an eye cream, and then a cute little keychain. All right, next one is from Kiko Milano. Ooh, these are the 3D Hydra Extreme lip glosses. Look at the packaging on those. That is gorgeous. These have an extreme plumping effect, and they say it gives instant volume. I like the original glosses that they have, so it's gonna be fun for me to compare and contrast between the original ones and these ones. Ooh, next one is from Rare Beauty. Stop, this is so cute. This is the new Something Rosy lip and cheek set. I follow them pretty closely on Instagram, and Selena as well. So I know that this is the combination that she used on her wedding day. I cannot believe that they got married so quickly after the engagement announcement, which I, in my mind, am thinking that the engagement happened way earlier than we all think. Super happy for her. She looked absolutely stunning. I think I have all these shades actually, so this will be going into a giveaway. Okay, this one's kind of heavy. Lola V, what the heck? They sent me a whole ass locker. Okay, I'm gonna have to unlock this. This is the Peptide Plumping Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. I am not the biggest fan of the other shampoo and conditioner they have. It works fine for me, but these ones, I'm excited to try these. I like the packaging too. On the other shampoo and conditioner, you can't see how much is left of the product, but in this one, you can. There's also a peptide volume spray and a little towel. Ooh, and they also sent over P-Volve bands. Hello, I need to get back into my workout era, so definitely going to definitely gonna look into how to use these. I don't know how to use these yet. Karate, 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 karate. If anyone knows where that's from, I love you. All right, next one is from a hair care brand called Divines. I still don't know. We have a dry shampoo, this Heart of Glass Silkening shampoo. This packaging is so intriguing to me. Then we have an all-in-one milk, the Beautiful Things Restoring Leave-In Mask, a smoothing conditioner, and then we have some silk scrunchies. I absolutely love me a silk scrunchie. Okay, this next one is also from Makeup Forever. 2 shades of the new concealer, which I'm very excited to try, and then also 2 shades of a new powder. Yeah, these are definitely going into a full face of new makeup video. I haven't done one of those in a hot minute, so let me know if you guys want me to do it here on YouTube for a more in-depth first impressions vibe, or if I should do it on TikTok for like a more easy watch. What's in the box? Another box. Oh, more Rare Beauty. Oh, they sent over all of the layering balms for the new perfume. You guys know I really like the new perfume. The layering balms, I'm going to try the other scents. I only tried the fresh one, which is bergamot. These are meant for layering, and there are 4 total. I did mention these and the perfume in one of my videos from last month. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the texture of the layering balms, because if you put too much, which is very easy to do, kind of get all over your person. It has that dimethicone consistency that doesn't really absorb into the skin, which is why it gets everywhere. So I'm gonna try the other scents and see if it lasts longer than the fresh one that I tried, because this one doesn't really last very long. More to come. Oh my gosh, this next one is from Salon Perfect, and it has some of their press-ons. These are gorgeous, stunning. I really wish that I could wear press-ons, but alas, I have some wonky nails. So these will be going into a giveaway, but look at this little charm. How stinking cute. And these nails, this one is way more up my alley. Oh my goodness. And this last one, I'm gonna have to take you guys off of the camera rig, but this is from Sephora. It's for Sephora Squad. They are sharing all of these Sephora favorites kits with me, and there's a lot in here. Hello. All right, there is the Glitz and Glam one, the Holiday Must-Haves, Holiday Lip Kit, Cozy and Clean Kit, Perfume Sampler. This is always such a crowd pleaser, and they have a cologne version as well. This is the cologne version, another perfume sampler, and then there is a Lash Stash To Go kit with a bunch of different mascaras. And last but not least, there is an advent calendar. Who thinks I should do a dedicated video on this with the unboxing? Oh, it has all the items on the back. These are some good items. Let me know if I should do an unboxing. All right, you guys, that is everything that I've unboxed during this unboxing. This was a lot. I haven't done one of these in a long ass time, so thanks for watching the whole thing and bearing with me through all my audio issues and all of my bad moods. I do feel infinitely better now. It's just always fun shooting this shit with you guys, and thanks for spending time with me. Not these being in the way, let me know if you guys have any requests for me to try anything specific from this video, and I will put it to the top of my list. Hope you enjoyed watching, and with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good, and I'll see you guys in the next one.